Hello and welcome traders. Today I am going to provide you with information about Forex and how it works. Forex is a market where the trading of global currencies takes place. Firstly, the word Forex is an abbreviation of foreign exchange. The Forex market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume of around $6 trillion. Many investors, banks, corporations, and individual traders actively participate in this market. So, how does the Forex market work? The Forex market is where currency pairs are bought and sold. The most commonly traded currency pairs are Euro-US dollar, US dollar Japanese yen, British pound and US dollar. In the Forex market, the value of one currency appreciates or depreciates against another. Traders buy a particular currency pair if they believe its price will rise. If they anticipate a decline, they sell it. To make a profit, they buy a currency pair at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day and is traded through various geographical centers around the world. This provides traders with the flexibility to trade at any time they prefer. The advantages of the Forex market include high liquidity, the ability to trade in both directions, leverage usage, and low transaction costs. However, high liquidity can also mean high volatility, so risk management is crucial. In conclusion, the Forex market offers great potential for investors aiming for financial freedom. However, it is important to have the right knowledge, experience, and risk management. If you are considering trading in the Forex market, it is important to receive proper education and work with a reliable brokerage firm. I hope this video has provided you with a basic understanding of the Forex market. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching.